Yeah, so first of all, anyone watching this doesn't know that it's been like 45 minutes since we made this pass, and I'm still, you guys at T1, you're aging me. Like, these wrinkles are getting deeper from smiling this much, like 45 minutes after the pass. Holy shit, guys, that's all I gotta say. It's actually pretty stressful staging. We were up there and ready, it felt like 3 or 4 times, and they wanted us to back up, they wanted to bring in the scrubber again, they wanted to prep the track, they wanted us here, they wanted us there. I felt like mentally really out of the game there for a bit. And finally, you know, I see Terrence, and everything's good again. My nerves just calmed down, and got up there, and I tried to single bulb as quick as I could, and just watching the other guy to get a single bulb, just thinking I'm going to get in the double bulb as soon as I can. I know I don't care about the tree today. I want to run a number, but man, I hate to look like a fool on that tree. And so I got in double and got on the got in launch mode, and it felt like an eternity. Must have been 4 or 5 seconds sitting there in launch mode, just saying, please, please don't burn down, please don't burn down. Oh, there's a light, and of course I was sleeping by then because I was worried about the engine, but it hooked this time. It wasn't its best hook, but it was a good one. And by the time it was at the 330, shifting into 3rd gear, the back of that car went down so hard, I knew something really special was happening, and it just kept pulling. And I crossed the line and got to use that shoot button the first time. I killed that muscle memory of grabbing that handle. And God, the feeling of that shoot's almost as good as taking off too. That's just great. And you never know, the butt dyno just lies to you, but it felt like a number. And I turned around to your camera and I said, if that's not a number, it had to be something really special if it isn't. I'm gonna be real disappointed if that's not a number, because that was a fucking wild ride. And then I was like, wait. You know, the 199, I've never broken 199. And so they radioed to Fred. They came back like, are you ready? It's 208. It's like, holy shit! I finally made it to 200. So again, if you can't see the pain in my cheeks right here from smiling, it was a really special moment. So I'm a happy guy.
180, John Connor.